Welcome again. We will start with the next class that will focuses on the political science. We will starting the class 7th first chapter that talks about on equality. This is your first chapter on equality. So on the most of the principle of the constitutions we will discuss here. So the first topic that we will be focuses on the idea laid down under the constitutions. Under the constitutions, each and every citizen has equal rights. Understand, students? Equal rights. Here we are talking about the equality. Either it is man or it is woman. So under this concept, we will discuss the difference between the theory and the practical that this class try to focuses on. B.R. Ambedkar had said, self-respect is the most vital factor in life. Without it, man is cyper. Nothing is more disgraceful for a brave man than to live life devoid of self-respect. So the whole idea of the session would be focuses on the concept of self-respect. Now the constitutions is to said that about equality to all citizens, but if reality is based on discriminations of various reasons, it can be caste, it can be the religions, it can be the class or any other reason based on that. There are difference in the society that do exist. For example, these are few of those examples here. In the book, one of them, Mr. and Mrs. Ansari go from a place to another place looking for a rented house, but they find it very difficult because most of the landlords say that we would not offer the houses to them because they consume non-vegetarians. So these a kind of things bring some of the things that affected the discriminations of the society. So one of them suggested to change their name Mr. and Mrs. Kumar, and they finally refused, saying that this is the question of their self-respect. Now its chance are these. Similarly, you have heard about two Dalit students' story being asked to sit the side in the classroom or sit near the door. So these are certain discriminations that definitely affected the society and need work much more on the reality on the ground. So they said the equality and democracy are dynamic concepts. Now there are three pillars of the democratic government. It involves pupil participations, the conflict resolutions and equality, and what would be focuses on equality, which one of the factor of democratic government. I hope students you understand this chapter. We will further understand the chapter more in the next session. If you have any queries, any questions, then write down in the comment box. Thank you. Have a nice day.